Sector 26. Today we'll discuss about the environment. So let's begin with environment. The term environment comes from the French word environment, which means surroundings. Everything which surrounds us, whether living or non-living, is a component of our environment. It includes the air we breathe, the water we use, and the soil we cultivate. There are two classifications of environment. One is abiotic environment, which is non-living environment. For example, air, water, and land. Second component is biotic, which means living environment. For example, plants, animals, and microbes. Types of environment. There are three types of environment. One is physical environment, second one is biological environment, and third one is social or cultural environment. Number one, physical environment. It means the area surrounding you. It's also known as abiotic, that means non-living environment. Examples of physical environment is air, noise, water, land. These are example of natural physical environment. House, roads, transport system, building, etc. are example of man-made environment. Rainwater, moisture, wind speed, pressure, sunbeam. These are the climate factor physical environment. Second type of environment is biological environment. Biological means living things. All the living components of environment is type of biological environment. It involves the living part of earth is known as biological environment. It includes producers who convert the solar energy into food, for example plants. Consumer that they depend upon producer for their food. For example, we human beings and animals they depend on producers. Decomposers they broke down producers and consumer usually that into simpler form which can be reused. For example, they are fungi and bacteria. Third type of environment is social or cultural environment. Cultural environment involves the culture and lifestyle of human beings. In simple word, the environment which is created through man's different social cultural activities and thinking is known as social cultural environment. Next, global environment. There are four segments as under. Number one is atmosphere, number two is hydrosphere, number three is lithosphere, number four is biosphere. First sphere is atmosphere. It's a protective blanket of gases which surrounding the earth. There are further types of atmosphere. One is troposphere, which extends up to 10 kilometers. Stratosphere, it extends up to 50 kilometers. It contains protective ozone layer and observes the ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun. Next, mesosphere, it extends up to 90 kilometers, and ionosphere, it extends up to 300 kilometers. Compositions of air in atmosphere. Nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, argon is 0.93%, carbon dioxide is 0.0%, and rest are gases and vapor. Next sphere is hydrosphere. Hydro means water. The hydrosphere comprises all type of water resources, oceans, seas, lake, rivers, streams, reservoirs, polar ice caps, glaciers and groundwater. Nature 97 of Earth's water supply is in oceans and remaining 3% is fresh water in solid or liquid form. 70.8% of Earth is covered by water and 29.2% is land surface. Next sphere is lithosphere. Litho means land. Lithosphere is the outer mantle of the solid earth. It consists of mineral occurring in the earth's crust and the soil. Example, minerals, organic matters, air and water, which is used to live or to cultivate. Next and last sphere is biosphere. The fourth sphere, biosphere, includes all abiotic or living part of biophysical environment. In simple words, the part of earth in which life exists is known as biosphere. All life exists in biosphere. The biosphere is composed of all living organisms, plants, animals and microorganisms. All are part of the biosphere. We can't Biosphere cannot survive without element of other sphere. For example, for living we need air that comes from atmosphere, we need water for survival that comes from hydrosphere, and we need land to live or to cultivate that comes from lithosphere. Next, impact of technology on the environment. This advancement of technology is beneficial but has also produced effect on environment. There are various negative impact like advancement of technology and machines has increased industrialization and pollution. New technology means more production and more consumption like vehicles which create pollution in environment. Advancement in weapon technology had also affect the environment. Industrialization would create pollution, for example, noise pollution, air pollution and water pollution in environment. Industrialization destroys natural beauty of the environment. Human comforts also create pollution and destroy the environment. For example, increased use of car which cause air pollution, and there are many more factors are there. Thank you so much.